just the air just feels so good, and it smells like real earthy and just like clean dirt, and it's quiet. You just hear birds, and you hear things running around in the trees, and it's amazing. It really is, and I like this a lot. This is very relaxing and peaceful. Of course, I've probably hiked about 6 miles, I guess. Went up in the mountains, up in there, and then I came back down, and then I've just been taking these little trails and discovering cool little things that they've got set up all along the way. I'd definitely like to come back with the kids. Definitely. Maybe hike and ride bicycles for the whole day. It's very, very peaceful and just calm, relaxing. It's amazing.